Kang magulo, YouTuber ako ha. Today is another day. But today is a different one. It's not really an ordinary day. Why? Yan ang itsura sa labas. Pero yan, normal lang yan pag winter. Ang hindi masyadong normal, yung temperature. It's minus 30 today. In Fahrenheit, it's like minus 22. And I feel like this is a challenging day for my car. I'm gonna check it out and I'm gonna share it with you guys. And of course, for this kind of weather, proper clothing is a must. You need your jacket, and of course, you need your boots. Now I'm good to go. And Coco is excited too. He wants to see the result. Haha. That's my small car on the other side, full of snow. I'm gonna clean it first, then I'm gonna try if it's going to start. Okay, I'm gonna start it first before cleaning it, so at least if it started, then that's the time I'm going to clean it, so it warms up a little bit. Okay, now this is the moment of truth. Look at my mouth. It's cold in here. Okay, let's see. Wow, hindi ako makapaniwala dito. Grabe, ang galing ng kotse ko. Hindi ko inaasahan to. I'm not expecting this, pero nag-start to. Wow, ang dami ngayon sasakyan hindi talaga nag-i-start. Pero this is Toyota Eco. Luma na to, 2003 model. It's like 18 years old car. Pero look at the performance. Wow. Okay guys, I'm just gonna clear it with snow, okay? Okay guys, dun sa 3 minutes and 18 seconds, pakiramdam ko hihinto yung makina dun eh. Kaya natigilan ako, pero nagtuloy siya, kung mapapansin nyo. And take note, yung car battery ko, binili ko lang yon sa salvage store. Na instead na gumastos ako ng 150, nabili ko lang yon ng $20. Dahil ano yun eh, used battery, and nasa salvage store yun. Parang junk shop, ganun. Okay guys, I'm gonna give you some idea bakit ako napawaw dun sa Toyota Eco ko. at nag-start siya sa minus 30 degrees Celsius. Kasi dito sa Canada, usually yung mga sasakyan, 80% ng sasakyan dito, meron sila nito. This is a plug-in for black heater. Wait a sec. Yan. Yung mga sasakyan dito, domestic, automatic yan. Domestic, automatic, may built-in na yan na black heater. Ito yung saksakan niya, ipa-plug in mo siya. Pero yung Toyota Eco ko, wala niyan. Kasi ano yun imported, Asian car, galing ng Japan. Yung mga sasakyan dito, pagka minus 20 degrees na, pina-plug in na ng mga tao. Kaya yun, na-impress ako doon, napawaw ako. Wala, hindi ko na inaasahan yun na ganun. Hindi ko akalain na mag-start talaga. Ang ina-expect ko dun, wala. Hindi siya mag-start. Kaya lang tumuloy. So, that's good. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from it on how we people live in a cold country like this, na kung paano kami pagdating sa mga sasakyan. Thanks for watching guys to my video and stay safe.